Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Every Windows user should have this app. The app name is called WinToy. I have been using for this app almost 5 years, and this WinToy has lot of features for Windows user which everyone should use easily, and these features are easy to use and will make your PC faster and give you all the details. Simply you need to download it on the Microsoft Store. Also you can go to the website directly. Just click on download. This app is trusted by the Microsoft. That's why it is available on the Microsoft Store as well. You just need to click on download here. And once you download here, let me show you all the features of WinToy. You just need to launch it. So this is the home. First of all, you will land into the home page, and these are the detailed process count, services, space cleaned, network, memory, utilization, video card, processor count. So this is like the taskbar of your Windows. This will give you all the details related to processes, memory percentage, services, and many more the other details. First, let's click on through the apps. Now once we click on the apps, you should be able to see all the install program on your Windows. You can uninstall these apps directly from here. So this is the first feature of this tool. You can navigate all the install programs and including apps on your Windows, and you can also categorize with these two: A to Z, Z to A, newest, biggest, whatever filter you want to make it, you can also do it. All you want to select or the other you can also choose here. The filter, you can also look for these filters and you can also search here. Now let's come over to the services now, and these are the services of our Windows which are running. You can see here the startup type from A to Z. The same filter, you can filter here running services, automatic services, manual services, disabled services. So as you can see here, I have disabled these services. So by this way you should be able to see the all the detailed stop services on your Windows, the running services on your Windows, third party services on your Windows, Microsoft Windows, Microsoft related services. So by this way you should be able to filter out all the running services and other services from the drop down easily. You can also check the total services running in your Windows, and you can also filter it, and you can also stop them or start them accordingly with these filters. Now let's come over to this performance tab, and in the performance tab you first of all you can performance into the high performance or lower performance. So you should be able to change your plan accordingly. Virtualization based security, you can also turn it on for security purpose. Startup apps, which automatically runs inside your Windows whenever you launch the Windows, so you can manage them. Microsoft Team, I don't want to run it. My phone link, okay, leave the Windows security only here, and rest of the services you can simply disable them. Relaunch apps, automatically save restartable apps and restart them when you sign in back. I don't want to do that. Background apps, you can also disable it from here. Activity history, you can disable this also. Visual settings, adjust visual setting for best performance. Transparency, you can see here, you can also navigate to the best performance, whatever you like from here. You can also do some of the other tasks, like you can do the Virtual memory, you can assign the virtual memory. Let's come over to gaming setting. Gaming mode, if you play the game you can keep it on, but I don't play the game, so I need to off it. By this way you should be able to enhance the system performance. Visual settings, search indexing, I have turned it off. Delivery optimization, share downloaded Windows updates with the other devices from a local window. I don't want to keep it on, just turn it off. Network adapters onboard process, just turn it off. So this is all about the performance. We have gone each and every setting here. Let's come over to the health now. This is also very interesting. Fast startup should be turned off. Hibernation, that's up to you if you want to off it or not. Drive optimization, you can also tweak the setting here. Just you can set it as you want. Like let's change setting, weekly is recommended, or if you want to turn it off then you can also turn it off. Just untick these options and you should be able to. Storage sense, just you can turn it on and default the setting. Once delete files from the recycle bin if they have been there for over 30 days or 60 days, it will be deleted from the bin. So whatever you prefer you can choose accordingly. 30-day is the default, so you can choose accordingly whatever you like. And you can also turn it off if you don't want to delete the any data files from the recycle bin. And also one of the cool feature it has is it can also give you the battery report. As you can see here, battery reports it's generated on your desktop. See, it is generating the battery report. This is also cool feature it has, and it will directly launch into the desktop. Let me show you. If you are able to see the battery report from here as well, if not, just click on your file explorer, this PC, C drive, user, your username, click on desktop, and you can see here battery report just generated 632. Just double click on that and choose your default app and just open it, and by this way you should be able to see the battery report as well by this way. So once you check for these report you just need to click on only two options here. Design capacity is this one, full charge capacity is this one. In my case battery health is not good since the full capacity has drastically gone down and it is up. The battery health should be 70% good, and in my case it is almost 40% good. So let me close it now. One other cool feature it has, it can repair the Windows. You can see, just you can run these commands: deployment imaging services, SFC command, check this command, just click on scan. So it is running all three commands one by one, checking local Windows image using DSM. After that it will run the SFC command, then check this command. So if you are facing the issues is crashes, freeze, blue screen, failed update, etc., you can run these one by one. So I'm stopping it for now, it will take a while. So you can see you can run one by one also. Now you can also run the memory diagnostic test, but you have to restart your system. You can restart it now your system or check for a problem next time when I start my PC. So this will repair your RAM and give you the result If any issues as you are facing, it will diagnose your memory. Now let's come up to the cleanup. Click here, taskbar. You can also delete the junk. See here all the junks, browse cache and many more. You can select all of them and then click on delete. You can also clear the file explorer history, Microsoft Store cache, DNS cache. You can also delete the system restore data from your system. And next is system updates. You can set it to default or manual, whatever you like. App update should be automatic, but you can also turn it off if you want. And local cache, let's click on rebuild. Rebuild the cache if icon thumbnail are blurred. Blurry or corrupted, you can also rebuild the icon. So now let's come over to the tweaks. This is the final setting. Desktop. This is all about the desktop. If you want to vignettes, turn it off. Shortcut arrow, drop down shadow, show desktop. Start menu include the Bing search, let it off. Auto install suggestion off, account notifications show in Hibernate menu, just keep them off. Let's come over to File Explorer, show extension, show hidden and system items. Let's turn it on. Privacy setting, location, turn it off. Telemetry service also off. Apps launching, online speech recognition, just turn it off. Let's add tailored experience off, advertising ads, suggested content off, suggested notification, lock screen tip also off, Windows tips and suggestion off, Windows welcome experience, finish setting up your device. System feedback notification, clock with the setting. If you want to set it setting, you can also set your system to the second. You can see here clipboard history if you want to turn it on, feedback notification off, user user control never, or if you want to change this at default only changes always on. And you can also restart your system from here or sign out. So that is all about the WinToy guys, and this is very pretty and good tool for your Windows. Every Windows user should have this tool. So I hope this video is really helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And you can also join the membership in order to watch the exclusive video